Yo, what it do? It's your boy Jay Starks, the One Wheel Wing Baby, your friendly neighborhood one wheeler, back at Float Life Fest. Just want to introduce y'all to a bunch of incredible riders. This is a friend of mine.
My name is Kyle Klausing, Float Jesus.
There you go.
Good to see y'all today.
Man. Heck yeah, man. When did you discover One Wheel?
So it was actually 3 years ago. Well, discovered One Wheel was like 4 years ago at a music festival. The owner of the grounds had one. It was like, you look like you're not inebriated. You want to try this?
Okay, fair enough.
So I rode a Plus. A year later, a buddy of mine had one, and I rode it the whole festival.
Yeah.
And then next Monday, I was
Damn,
fine.
you had to wait a year between
I was on the
your
site.
first two rides?
I was on the site like, give me a wheel.
Yeah, there it is, man. Word. Right now, what's your current favorite board?
So, favorite board. So I got the GT set up with a GTR T2, flight fins, flare rear foot pad, and then the 4mm foam on both from One Wheel Parts.
Okay, heck yeah, you like that?
Yeah,
It's
it keeps you locked in, comfortable, no sliding off.
Okay, word, man. If you could tell the world anything random about One Wheel, what would you tell them? Assuming they know nothing about One Wheel.
One Wheel, it's electric.
Boogie. Hey, word, man. And then a random fact about yourself. Plug your companies or your trade, whatever.
So I'm a tile guy by trade, and I also have a One Wheel shop in Cincinnati, Ohio, Float Therapy. I was one of the major shops that did the GTR hub swap.
Okay, word.
So we do a lot of modifications of boards and customization in-house.
Okay.
So
word,
look me up on Facebook, Float Therapy, or Float Jesus on Instagram.
Okay, word. Well, we're signing out. We're going to go back to hanging out. Peace.